This is an essay from Civil Services Mains 2022 examination. The topic of the essay is "The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining." This quote is about taking timely action. If we do not fix the small problem in time, then it can grow into a bigger problem. Now let's read the essay. The direct meaning of this proverb is that best time to repair the leaky roof is when weather is clean, sun is shining, and not when it is raining. The core meaning of this proverb is that we should fix the problem when the conditions are favorable. Timeliness of the action is important. This quote is about doing things in timely manner. If we do not fix the problem in time, it will grow bigger and lead to emergency. If we do not do tasks when we have plenty of time and keep on postponing, we will be under stress. Small, timely action can save us from emergency or stressful condition. Anything can become emergency if ignored for a long time. The amount of efforts required to deal with the issue rarely goes down with time. The point is that if you wait until it is an emergency, it will take far longer than if you had it in timely manner. Procrastination is a bad habit. Do not wait for a small problem to grow bigger. It is better to take care of in timely manner. Why not repair a car when it just began giving slight starting problem? Otherwise it will stop on a lonely highway. Students should be regular in studies while they have enough time to prepare for the exams. Otherwise, they will be under extreme stress near exam days. Why not visit the doctor when you have small health issue? Otherwise, it will grow into medical emergency. Population will increase in coming years. The governments have projections about size of population. Therefore, government should take timely action to ensure food and employment for coming generations. Pollution is increasing. There is need to take timely action to prevent catastrophic condition. In conclusion, we can say that timely action saves us from big problem and emergencies. Fix the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. Thank you.